Good morning, children. I am Pushpa ma'am. I hope you all are enjoying at home, isn't it? Are you helping your parents? So, children, be a good child at home. Don't disturb your parents. So, today we are going to learn subject English CB lesson 11. What is in the lesson 11? The discontented fir tree. Have you seen fir tree? In our area there is no fir tree, but this tree grows in the cold area. If there is severe cold, that area only it grows. So उसको हम लोग हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? देवदार का वृक्ष. So we are going to learn about the tree. You see the tree? That tree is something like this. It grows straight and usually it grows in the cold region. So we are going to learn about the discontented fir tree. Discontented means not satisfied. Are you all satisfied with your life? Yes or no? If you have, even if you have clothes, you will feel, I need some more, I need some more. Again you will think, I need some more clothes. तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं? That means you are not satisfied with the cloth what you have. So you are desiring more. So that this fir tree also was something like that. That it was not satisfied with the leaves what it had. You see, this tree had leaves. You see, it has dark green needles. Needles means उसका पत्ता जो है उसको leaves बोलते हैं. Needles मैंने देखो उसको तो पूरा कांटेदार का वृक्ष है, पूरा कांटा काटा है. So उसको क्या बोलते हैं? देवदार का वृक्ष. Then they are steep and sharp, just like the needles. So it is called green needles. So this tree had dark green needles. So this tree was never satisfied, even though it looked very beautiful in the forest, but it was not satisfied. It used to think, I have dark green needles and other trees have nice leaves, so I also could have leaves like that. So this tree first decided to have gold leaves. What kind of leaves? Gold leaves. So this tree said, I could have gold leaves, then I will look still more better. So a fairy tale. Good fairy heard the wish of this tree. So the wood fairy granted the wish of this tree, and this one turned into gold leaves. Even you can see in your book, the tree has changed into the gold leaves. So the tree, when it became full of gold, so what happens when you have so many gold at home? So it is natural that robbers will come. Yes or no? अगर सोना चांदी को हम लोग संभाल के नहीं रखेंगे तो चोर चोरी करने आएगा कि नहीं आएगा? चोरी करने आएगा. So same way this tree was full of gold in the forest. You can imagine the forest, green forest, and among those green trees, a gold trees. So if you were in that place, you also could have gone to steal. Yes or no? Natural. So the robbers came and took away all the gold leaves. So when the robbers came and took away all the gold leaves, so what happens? Tree has nothing. It became naked without the leaves. So after that, again the tree thought, oh, I could have sparkling glass leaves. So if there is sparkling glass leaves, nobody can steal. Nobody can take away from me. So again the wood fairy heard the wish of the fir tree, and then the tree became full with glass leaves. You have seen the glass? Yes or no? पूरा शीशा का पेड़ बन गया. So there came the strong wind blew. Strong wind blew and broke away all the sparkling glass leaves. So again the fir tree started crying and thought, all my leaves are broken. So again it decided that I could have nice green smooth leaves. Nice green and smooth leaves you can see here. अच्छा पत्ता. So the wood fairy again granted the wish of the fir tree and it gave the smooth green leaves. So smooth green leaves, usually the goats cannot eat all this kind of leaves. So in the forest was heard the bleating of the goats. And when the goats came near that tree, it felt that these leaves are very tasty. And the goat ate up all the leaves of the fir tree. Then again the fir tree started crying and it was not satisfied. So again it said, finally the fir tree said, I could wish I will have the same leaves what I had in the beginning. You see, the fir tree, how many times it decided, I need to have this, I need to have that, I need to have those, like that. So, the wood fairy also granted the same thing. And at last, the wood fairy, fir tree was not satisfied. Not satisfied, and again she prayed and told the wood fairy to give me back the same leaves. And it gave back the same leaves that it had. And the fir tree was happy. The fir tree was happy. So children, what do we learn from this lesson? Discontented. Discontented means not satisfied. And the fir tree was not satisfied. So what we have to do in our life? Do we have to be like the fir tree? Not satisfied with what we have, the quality we have, the things we have. When you see somebody's better thing, then you also wish that I also could have better than that. No. We should be satisfied with our life, with ourselves and with the things what we have. With our parents, we need to be satisfied, however they are, what kind of life we are living. We have to be satisfied in life. So when you are satisfied in life, you are happy in life. If you are not satisfied, then you will become like the fir tree, always mourning, wishing again better than that, better than that. With that thing also you are not satisfied. So we need to be satisfied with what we have. So children, at home now you are there. So please don't become like the fir tree, asking this and that. So be satisfied with what you have. Thank you.